Hi traders, how you all doing? I hope you're having a great week so far. Sorry about that. I hope you're having a great week so far. So in this video, I'm gonna do analysis on where I think NAS is going to next. Though I've done that before, we've actually did analysis. If you go watch my previous video, when before even price pushed down here, I talked about price dropping down here and going back up to take out this highs, and we're almost at the highs. All right, that was a very big move. Okay, so guys, if you're new to this channel, you should like and subscribe. All right, you can share it also so that other traders can also benefit from this, because every time I share I share like a powerful analysis. Okay, I predict like a nice move on Nasdaq. Okay, so but I'm not a financial advisor, so everything that I do here is based on educational purpose only. Okay, so let's dive into this. So let me touch on what I said previously. Okay, so previously I talked about this level here. I said as long as price keep respecting this level, yeah, there's a fair value gap here and there's an order block here. As long as price keep respecting this level, we will be looking for price to go to the upside. Okay, we're looking for higher price on Nasdaq, on Nas 100. Okay, and that's what's been happening. We've tested this level so many times. Okay, so yeah, so getting into next week, what do we expect Nasdaq to do? It's so clear. It's so clear. Like just looking at it like this, I can actually see what is likely to happen next without even dropping down on any other time frame. I do tell you guys that candles, you see, candles, they tell a lot of stories. How this candle close will tell you what the next candle is likely to do. Okay, you trading candles is not like trading strategies. Candles are different. Okay, so how this candle closes, what do you think the next candle will do? Do you think the next candle will sell? No, the next candle will expand higher. All right, so it's either, how will the next candle expand now? It's either the next candle pull down before going higher, or pull higher first before coming back to retest whatever that it's here, then maybe start going higher again. Okay, so this is what is likely to happen. Nothing else I think is going to happen. Even when price was here, I told you guys that price is going high. All right, it doesn't matter how it does that. As you can see, this first candle pulled back down, went higher, that before the next candles followed, did their manipulation and did whatever they did. So this candle now is representing this in this case now. Okay, so how do I look at this now? I'm going to look at this like this. Okay, so for price to continue going higher, I don't want it to close below this. Okay, just as I explained before, I didn't want it to close below this two candle. This was the last candle here. This week is the last one. So, but this is the other block here. Okay, so but if I'm gonna mark this, I'm gonna mark it like this. All right, so this was what happened. So now we have a new order block, which is this, and you can see the candle. Okay, so for price to continue going higher, I want it to respect this zone. As you can do that multiple times, it doesn't matter, you can do it once, but as soon as price keep coming back to this level, we're looking for price to go up higher. Okay, so guys, I want to talk to you about something. There is this trading room that I started a while ago. So what I do here is to refine those levels where I think price is going to go higher from, or where I think price is going to go lower from. Okay, so I refine it into 1 minute. As you can see here, on which day? On Friday, after I've refined those zones, though I will still make some videos, explaining them. So after I refine it, I refine it into 1 minute. So all you just have to do, you wait for 1 minute setup for the buy. This is what I do here every day. Every day, you can go up and see. I do that every day. I refine it into 1 minute. Okay, see, refine into 1 minute to buy, because I've already done the whole job. You can see when price came to this 4-hour order block where I think price is going to go up. I refine it on 15 minutes. then your job is just to refine that 15-minute level on 1 minute. How easy can this be? All right. So I started this community, this channel, because of those who are so busy to analyze the chart. Okay, so I do it here for you. All you just have to do, even if you go up, 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 this is the same thing I do every day. You can see here, I said wait for 15-minute candle to close, then refine on 1 minute for a buy. And you can see I'm sending the proof of the buy. Sorry, my stuff is loading, but if it loads up, this is what you're gonna see. Okay, look at it again. You can see here, you can see. So here was the beginning of the buy, here and here. You can see my entry on 1 minute. So I do this every day. So if you want to join, it's totally free of charge. You don't have to pay me anything. You just have to be an OctaFX user, because this is sponsored by OctaFX. Okay, so let's get back to the main talk of today. All right, so this is where I want the next weekly expansion to start from. Okay, I want it to start from here. If we respect this level, then we're going up. This doesn't really stop anything. Yes, it's a liquidity level. There's a lot of liquidity here. So the only way that I would take my eyes off this is if the next candle goes up and creates a fair value gap. If it goes up and creates a fair value gap, then I'll be looking for that fair value gap to hold price up and create liquidity, but price still needs to come down to this order block at some point. Okay, because what price does is actually, when we create this fair value gap, right? When price creates fair value gap, it will come to it, tap it, maybe go up, do some things, then at some point to come back to that order block, because now we have some liquidity here, then push up. But if this order block doesn't respect, that means price is shifting. Okay, but we expect this to respect, because again, we've already had a lot of movements here, a lot of activities has gone here. So this is a very strong level. Okay, it's a very strong level. Just keep your eyes on this level. Okay, it's a long-term call out for you. It's a long-term call out that I'm doing for you. So just keep your eyes on this level, on this other block. Whenever price come there, do your thing. Okay, but remember, this is just for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, so let's move on. So now for the lower time frames, this is for higher time frame. For lower time frame on 4 hour, we have 1 point of interest on 4 hour, which is where I'm gonna focus on Monday. Okay, sorry guys, my connection is a little bit slow this morning. I don't know, but don't worry about that. They can't stop us. They can't stop me from showing you what I want to show you. So we have this on 4 hour. We have this other block. If you've not watched my other block video, you can go back and watch it. It's really powerful. Many traders are, telling me that, oh, they've been crushing it with just that, Okay, so looking at this, we can see price is already creating, though this will be some sort of liquidity for price to come back down later. All right, so but for now we have this other block here, which could be where price will use to push price to this level. Okay, because this is our final targets. All right, so how do we get up here? Hopefully we hope price come here during the week, then we look for a buy setup. Right, so and if we look at this is where the weekly last week ended. So we expect the next new week to open up from here and manipulate lower into this. But if it wants to go more lower, then we'll have a daily order block somewhere here. I'll check that out before market close. We have a daily order block which aligns with this one. So this is the more high probability order block. All right, but we're not just gonna skip anyone, because I don't expect price to come this far then go up. Right, but if it wants to do that, cool. If it does that, disrespect this, then we can see if it's closing below. Right, if we have a closure below, but if not, then it could just be a sweep of liquidity to continue going higher. But what matters is that we're bullish on a high time frame. Okay, and when we're bullish on the high time frame, all you think about is those buy setups. All right, you'll be thinking of those buy setups. Don't ever worry yourself about the sell. If the sell is going to happen, it will take a while. Okay, and when it happens, there will be a pullback. This is what I usually tell myself. So this will help you not to chase price. Okay, just know that we are bullish. We're bullish until we get here, until we get to this point. Then when we get to this point, if price decides to sweep the high and start dropping, then we can participate on selling, because now we've already taken out liquidity level, which price is likely to displace, maybe for a pullback to continue going high. Okay, so remember this. Okay, remember this. You need to remember this level that I pointed out here, because again, price moved. Look at what price did. Only what price did all this while was from internal. Now it's going to external. So what do you think will happen next? Go from internal again to external. So this is what we'll be expecting in price. Okay, this is like a long-term call outs that I'm telling you now. Okay, as long as this level will respect, just as this one has been respecting, we're gonna see more buy movement. Okay, so guys, this is what all I have for you for today. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like, and tell me what you like about the video. You know, tell me. And if you want to join the channel that I told you about, you can just inbox me, let me know. You can just comment, let me know that you want to join, then I'll add you. It's totally free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. Everything that I'm talking about here, I do that there. I refine it. I can refine this level here into 1 minute for you. Refine it into 1 minute. All you just have to do, you take your 1 minute straight. Okay, so all right, you do enjoy your rest of your weekend, and until I speak to you again, bye for now.